8 square minus 5 times 3 square minus 2 plus 8 is genius. Can you solve this math problem within 10 seconds? Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Here, as we can see, there are multiple operations. So we will follow order of operation, PEMDAS, and according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to this part. This is part, and as we can see, there is an exponent which is 3 square, which can be written as 3 times 3, which will give result 9 here. So in simplified way, we can do it 8 square minus 5 times 9 minus 2 plus 8. Now we can use our PEMDAS method. So first preference is this parenthesis, and inside that we have 9 minus 2, and this will give result 7. So in the next step we can write 8 square minus 5 times 7 plus 8. Now if you think like adding this 7 plus 8, which will give result 15, and 15 times 5, which will give result 75, and then this will be the wrong way. And how to solve this? Again, next preference will be given to multiplication. So we will multiply this 7 times 5. This will give result 35. So we can write 8 square minus 35 plus 8. And here next we can write, we will do addition operations here. 8 square minus 35 plus 8, and this will give result 43. And here an exponent part which is 8 square. So we can write 8 square as 8 times 8, and this will give result 64. So in the place of 8 square we can write 64. So we will write 64 minus 43. And to get the final answer, we have to subtract 43 from 64, and we will get 4 minus 3, that will be 1, and 6 minus 4 will be 20, that is 2. So here 21 is the right answer, and if you're seniors, then must subscribe us for brainstorming maths. Thanks for watching.